Okay, this power steering is completed. That's what it looks like when it's all in.
Oh wow.
This
Okay.
is locked down here, so this can't move.
Yeah.
It's grease nipple,
Okay, yeah.
greased.
Yeah.
Okay. This is what the power steering looks like when it's all mounted.
Oh.
Now, you turn the key on like this, and you just drive like this with 2 fingers. Once you get used to it, you won't want to be without it.
Yeah. So guys are gonna wonder if they want power steering, what, couple day job for them?
Yeah, 2-day job, that's what it looks like.
Okay.
And you can use whatever power steering you want.
Yeah.
It could be a Toyota, or some guys are using Toyota, some are using a Ford Escape, and on and on. But if you get it all hooked up your way.
Okay. So when are we gonna fire up the engine? Do we have tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I got a tip of the day, but I got to go into the coffee room first.
Okay, so tip of the day.
Nick?
Okay, so what's tip of the day then?
The tip of the day is try to exercise.
Okay.
Go to a large store,
Yeah.
or mall,
Okay.
to walk, and you're going to meet some friends and you'll get a chance to talk.
Okay.
And I think you should skip those 3 red pills and those 3 green pills.
Yeah.
And buy an apple, an orange, a banana. Raisins are also good. They're dry grapes.
Okay.
The red pills consist of banana, oranges, apples, etc. Oh, and probably 3 or 4 blueberries. Now, how do the pills turn out red when none of this is red? And then the green ones is the vegetables. The green pills, they're cauliflower, carrots, and beets, etc. And they're green. So doesn't make sense to me. Now, when the town of the Paw gets to plow the sidewalks, bundle up and take a little walk if you can. Right now, you have to walk on the streets. It's a little too dangerous, but keep your eye open for when the town of the Paw does the sidewalks.
Okay. Well,
It'll be a hallelujah day.
well, they're pretty busy. They're still clearing. Anyways, this is what it looks like on the inside. Dad's promised that we're going to fire it up tomorrow. And power steering is completed. Got some cleanup on down below.
Put the floorboards in, fired up, test run.
There you go.
Okay.
Hot tip of the day. Make sure you do some walking and get some exercise. And Kyle's promised to come out tomorrow with Steve. If he doesn't show, Steve's going to be very upset.
Yeah. We'll give Kyle a tip on YouTube or whatever it is if he doesn't show up.
Okay, so there you go. Kyle's got to show up with Steve or he's in trouble. So Dad's just finished the power steering, and so I want to just go into the power steering more. Like it's standard these days for most vehicles, but obviously it would have never come into the Bombardiers of yesteryear. How many have you done now?
This is the 17th one.
Yeah.
In the last 8 years.
Okay.
We haven't had a problem at all.
Okay. How did you figure out to put in power steering?
Actually, Peter Dunlop is the guy that got me onto it.
Yeah.
There's a little more there than what meets the eye, but when it's done, it's excellent.
Yeah, and you can see down here.
Look at the skis.
Look at the skis moving. So they, you've talked about this in the past. Would you say this is probably one of the top recommendations that you would tell Bombardier owners to do?
Well, if if they can afford to do it properly, I think that's the way to go. There's no drag on the motor at all
Okay.
because it's run off a battery.
Yeah.
But I would recommend, if you're going to have power steering and the fan and all this extra that they add on,
Yeah.
is put a switch on each side to kill the power at the back, and run 2 batteries. So you always have one fully charged
So this is what you're talking about back here in here, right?
on the other side.
So
I haven't got it on yet, but I'll show you what they look like.
so here's one battery.
Yeah.
We've seen this
And
many
there'll be
times before.
One on that side also.
So okay.
I'll show you when we put it on.
Okay. All right. Well, 17th power steering.
What happens a lot of times is the young people are driving the Bombardiers,
Yeah.
and they got CD and they got radio in there and lights and whatnot,
Yeah.
and they're fishing, and they let the CD run and everything, and of course the motor stopped.
Yeah.
Now it's time to go. One battery is dead.
Yeah.
Dad, come and help me.
Yeah. You know anybody that's
Yeah, I'm not mentioning any names.
Yeah.
But, I could tell you a couple, eh?
yeah, okay.